Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage, and welcome to an unboxing video of the brand new gear that I've got for the brand new motorcycle. We have the lovely Macna behind the camera today.
What's up, guys?
And I wanted to bring you guys along because I've got a box of $875. That's what I've spent for this lovely box. It kind of brings us back to the days that we did the unboxing of the Amazon.
Horrible. You got so gypped on those.
Amazon buyback boxes.
There's still a stash. There's still a stash of shit.
Videos. Head back. We'll link in the description up here. We'll put the Amazon unboxing videos. They were kind of big, so we did it. But today we got an $875 box from FC-Moto. I talk about them in all of our gear videos because me and Macna, we found that all of our gear, her Exxon gear, and my Macna suit, I've gotten my Macna gloves from there. Did you get your boots from there? You didn't get your boots from there. But oh, you got your Exxon riding gear from there too, right? So we've bought some stuff from Exxon before, or FC-Moto. FC-Moto it does come from Germany. So it takes a little bit of time, but the prices are incredible. So wait until you see what we've got in here. So, oh, and before we go, what do you guys think of the new swaggy hats? We just got a couple new designs, but with the new logo design, what do you guys think? Let me know in the description below. Are you guys interested in these hats? Would you guys be interested? We also got some stickers coming, so maybe we'll do a giveaway. Maybe we'll do a giveaway in one of these videos.
You get a hat.
You get a hat. You get a sticker. All right, so let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. So let's break this buddy open. I got it yesterday. I've been so excited to get into this. So I really needed some new riding gear. So you'll see this gear in the test ride videos. This will be the gear. But also for my summer winter gear on the Tiger 1200. So $845.27 for 12 items. And you say 12 items, you're probably thinking, what 12 items did he order? Well, I did order from Macna some new zipper pulls. They're a little bit different. They loop in. I wanted to get a new one for the suit just to make sure, but you can never have too many zipper pulls. I also got, for the winter, a new Macna scarf.
Did you get me one?
Nice. What? This is my box.
What the frick?
What the frick? I also got the lovely Macna,
Yay!
a Macna neck tube. Gosh, stop, babe. I didn't get you one of these because I wasn't sure, but I have to represent because I really do like FC-Moto is, we've had a few issues, minor issues, more kind of sizing on our parts, but make sure, first of all, guys, make sure you go on and check their sizing and make sure you measure yourselves before because sizing is much different than the US. My leather suit, I'm definitely not a 3X size, but the suit's a 3XL, and this is a 2XL. So it's definitely a different sizing, so make sure you go on the sizing chart. But I got myself a hoodie from FC-Moto. So that was kind of a nice little thing for myself. And we have our first Macna winter gloves. Let's see. Again, sizing, make sure you get your sizing. These are a 2XL. I don't think I'm a 2XL. In my most of my other gloves, I'm about an XL or a 2XL. This is a 2XL, and they fit perfect. 100% waterproof, and these are 2XLs. And these, so you guys know, just to give you guys cost, these were $61, fully waterproof, and they're kind of thin summer gloves, so very nice. They feel good. I like them. Next. Let's pull out the big box. So I did get, maybe I shouldn't have pulled out the box yet. Box goes back in, and the jacket comes out. So this is the Macna, and this is called an Impact Pro jacket. What's nice about the Macna is it has a lot of this, they call them side eyes, so a lot of reflection in the jacket, pockets in the back, pockets in the front, a lot of different things. So we're going to get to try it on for you guys here in a minute. But looks very nice. Looks like you got a little cubby you can stick some stuff back there.
So you finally lose your freaking pouch.
Some nice little vents in the back. Oh, very nice.
Is that an all-weather?
This is all-weather. It is considered an all-weather summer and winter, and this is a water. I believe they call this a waterproof jacket. The Impact Pro waterproof, direct laminated, and it's vented. You've got shoulder pads, elbow pads, and a back pad. So no chest protection. But I gotta show you guys the zippers. I love the zippers and how they innovate these to be so much different. So they talked about the zipper, so I want to look at that. Let's go ahead into our pants. Now these pants, so the jacket was $315. So for a all-weather, weatherproof jacket with a liner and everything, $315 is a steal because most jackets are going to run you $300 to $500. Pants, very nice. This is the Macna Icon textile, fully waterproof. And what's nice is they have a quarter zipper in there, but these do 3/4 zipper together. Looks like we've got, this was one thing I was reading up on. Some little stickies in the butt, give you a little nice little stick. Full waterproof. And again, they have the reflection. These are what they call side eyes. It's their description of basically the reflection. So these reflect in the summer. So very, very nice. And then we'll get into the boots now that we've got some room. So I've got a ton of boots, but the boots that I ride in right now, they're squeaky for one, and two, they're old. They don't zip together. It's kind of, the Velcro's kind of worn out. So these are the Burke 2.0. Let's get the official name. I think they're just a Burke 2.0. These boots, let's see, sorry guys, $167 for the pair of boots. And again, I ordered US sizes, just cross-reference the US size, so I ordered myself a size 12. And these are kind of a sport touring boot, or a dual-purpose boot. They're really not a full ankle brace, but they do have some bracing, but very nice, toe slider and everything like that. So let's get geared up. Let's talk about some of the features on these. So I'm going to throw on all the gear, and we'll be right back. All right, some of the stuff that they think of everything overseas. Now, one of the things that I like is they've got an inner zipper, and then instead of adding Velcro, this is one of my big pet peeves, Velcro isn't good. Velcro wears out, so I like zippers. So one of the nice things is it gives you a double zipper, which is really nice. And what's cool is if you guys can see this little lock here, okay? So when you click this in, you can actually, it's like a zipper. So it's actually allows you to tighten your neck or loosen your neck, okay? There are little bands here to tighten the waist. So nice, it feels good. Again, we have our wrists. So actually what I'll do is the gloves. So I'll throw one glove on. So one of the things that I loved about my Macna gloves in my racing gloves is this. So when we tighten this up, look at the angle of the glove. And when I pull this Velcro, okay, you'll see it actually pulls the glove onto my hand, which is just brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And then we go in here and there, and we're ready to roll. So we have arm adjusters, we have waist adjusters, And I think we have waist and then waist at the jacket, so we can adjust both of them. Vents, nice here for the knees and the pants, which I can't stress to you guys. A lot of you guys, knee or pant vents, look, my legs get hot, especially in the engine. So that's nice to be able to have those. But there are vents everywhere in this. There's vents, vents here, that go into the armpits, actually here. Looks like, oh, there's the vent. Looks like a pocket, but here's what's nice. We have pockets here, but in the pants, we have actually pockets here and pockets in the back. Pockets in the back. I mean, there's pockets and straps and vents everywhere on this gear. And man, is it comfy. It's hot. It is hot. I will probably run most of this gear without the inner liner in, so it'll be nice and breezy. But that's a little stretch. But not too bad. The zipper's nice. So, the Macna Gear, man. So far, I love it. I can't wait to get out, do some reviews on this. I will give you guys a full in-depth report back on the Macna winter gear. You guys have already seen the Macna leather gear, so if you guys haven't seen that video, check up here above. We'll link in the description below. But we'll put all of these items in the description below, so feel free to head over to FC-Moto, check out their different gear, but make sure you check their sizing chart. That's the most important. I'm ready, baby. You ready to go for a ride?
Yeah, sure. Let's get geared up.
All right, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the new gear. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Give me a quick like and hit that subscribe button. The like button is more important than you guys know, so make sure you hit that like button. But leave me a comment down below. What are you guys riding with? What do you guys ride on? What kind of gear do you guys have?
Icon vest.
The Suzuki. The Suzuki needs the Icon vest, and the Triumph needs the Macna Gear. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below. Oh, and let us know, what do you guys think about the hats? I love the new, babe, thanks for the new logo. I love it. She dabbed, or how do you do it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. But thanks, guys.
You don't know how to dab?
I don't know how to dab. So thanks, guys. We'll see you next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, though, and we'll see you then. And stay tuned for this review video of the gear. So see you then.
Bye-bye.